Want to use Seedance 2.0 to generate jaw-dropping cinematic videos? In today's video, I will walk you through two amazing AI tools that let you do this either using your smartphone or a PC for free, $0 paid. Let's get into it. The first tool we will be using is Video Inu. The link will be in the comment section below, but if you want me to send it directly to you, then comment video and I will send all the links to you. When you click on the link, you will land on this page right here. Then click on Start Creating for Free. It will bring you to this page. Click on Try Seedance 2.0 now, then click on Login here and proceed to sign up on this platform. I will make use of Google and I will advise you to do the same. After this, you will be given 500 free credits to use. Fill in this onboarding questions, and you will be given an extra 200 free credits to create cinematic videos. This will bring in a total of 700 credits. After that, click on Try Seedance 2.0 again, and this page will open. Choose Seedance here, and then paste your prompt here. Choose the duration, choose the video quality, and also choose the aspect ratio you want, and then hit the generate button. The video will start generating, and within a few seconds, our video will be ready. Click here to download when you are satisfied with the outcome. You can see how fast-paced and cinematic it looks. The second platform is Wavespeed. This site also offers Seedance for free. Click on the link and head on to Wavespeed. Scroll down here and you will see the Seedance option. Now sign up to access the platform. I will choose to sign up Google. After signing up, you will see that the site gave you $1 to use and create videos on Seedance. Click on Explore and then click on Video Generation. Here you will find the Seedance model, then paste your prompt here, choose an aspect ratio, and also the duration. Let it generate audio also. Upload a reference image if you have, but if you don't, then leave it blank. Hit the generate button and wait for our video to be ready. After a few seconds, our video will be ready. You can hear the perfect audio and background sounds and the cinematic output here. Click here to download it. You can create multiple accounts to get more credits to generate videos like this. And that's it for today's video. Please don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to my channel. If you need all the prompts I used in this video, the comment prompt, and I will send them directly to you. See you in the next video.